to tie the string line off on a simple set out, I create a loop on the end, slide my finger in, and then just roll it 3 times, 2, 3, and then I slip that over my mark. Now, one hand pulls the string line in, the other hand pulls the string line out, and it tightens this string line up. We don't need to over tighten it, but we don't want it under tight. We want the string line to be fairly consistent in its... We want the string line to be fairly tight with very little sag. I want to keep my string line in the middle of my screw or my nail. So what I do is once I've done the 3, I bring the string line up on itself, roll it around the back, then under the string line, over the mark, under the string line, over the marker, under the string line, over the marker. What that does is it keeps the string line then where it needs to be. To finish off, I can just turn it on itself and twist it over. That's not going to go anywhere now.